Well, absolute beautiful day across southeast Texas today with high temperatures in the upper 70s, close to 80, falling just shy of that. I think we'll hit 80 tomorrow. Our Roofing 911 Skycam network over in Orange, Horseman's Western Store, 68 degrees. We have 68 in Beaumont, right at 80 though in Kirbyville. Beautiful sunset this evening, and it's going to be chilly again tonight. We started out in the 40s this morning, mid to upper 40s, some low to mid 40s across parts of the lakes area. Not quite as cool tonight, but still pretty chilly. Most areas staying in the 40s. Now temperatures, here we go again next week. Got one more week of temperatures above normal after tonight's low of 49 is a little bit below. We're up to 80 tomorrow, then much of next week, mid 80s. Those nighttime lows climbing back to around 70. The warm, humid weather continues, but notice as we head toward next weekend, starts to cool down. We'll have temperatures falling a little bit closer to normal, especially by next Saturday. Cold front comes in next Friday. Temperatures will be closer to normal by next weekend. Satellite view, not a cloud to be found anywhere. Very dry air in place, but boy, does that change after tomorrow. Lots of clouds in the forecast much of next week. Moisture increases off the Gulf. Can't rule out a couple little showers first 3 days of next week. That's not going to be too big of a deal. Up to 20% as we head toward Thursday. Pretty good chance of showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two late Friday now as that next cold front works in from the north and northwest. And across the rest of the region, of course, it's been a beautiful day area wide. We've had temperatures with that low humidity once again very close to 80, but doesn't feel that bad at all. The humidity as low as it is. Notice how dry the area is, all the brown color here. But as we put this into motion, notice how the moisture increases off the Gulf there Monday. We'll stop at Monday afternoon. So big increase in moisture, so can't rule out an isolated shower or two coming up Monday through Wednesday ahead of our front, which will be due in on Friday evening of next week. Tonight we're going to drop on down into the 40s, and then we'll reach the 80-degree mark tomorrow. Very close to 80. Notice a couple of isolated showers here and there on Monday, and temperatures right now running in the 70 to 80-degree range. Kind of a temperature spread across the area. Across the rest of the state, pretty warm. 70s and 80s in the west. Along the Rio Grande, 86 Laredo, 86 in Del Rio. The air very dry there. A little front up in northwest Texas. That cold front will not reach us over the next few days. Now let's take a look at futurecast. We're going to drop on down tonight into the 40s once again pretty quickly. The air is still very dry. The winds are light. No cloud cover. No reason why we won't drop into the 40s again tonight, especially up in the lakes area. It's about 48, 49 in Beaumont, mid 40s up in the lakes area. Rebounding tomorrow, close to 80 for highs. In fact, very close to 80 under clear skies once again. Notice the winds though back off the Gulf tomorrow. So those clouds will be returning tomorrow night into Monday. Very little if any chance of rain though, and I think our fog potential pretty low as well, at least for tonight. Fog may come back tomorrow night into a Tuesday morning as well. Marine forecast sees running around 2 feet, east to southeast winds up to about 10 knots. A beautiful forecast for tonight, tomorrow. Just a light jacket needed tonight. Overnight lows mid 40s lakes, upper 40s along Interstate 10 near 50 around Port Arthur and Mid-County. And for tomorrow, almost a repeat of today, only a slight wind direction will be out of the south, but humidity still low tomorrow. High temperatures close to 80 across southeast Texas. Now your 10-day forecast, a few isolated showers not out of the question coming up for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 10% coverage, not a big deal there. It will become windy by the middle of the week. Rain coverage jumps to 20% Thursday, 50% late Friday as our next cold front comes in. And we're looking for a nice cool down next weekend, closer to normal. In fact, we should see lows in the 40s and highs in the low to mid 60s. So quite a bit cooler as we head toward next weekend, and could see some clouds with that as well.
Yeah, enjoy it while it lasts. It's coming up.
Exactly. Been very, very nice, that's for sure.
It certainly has, but Friday is when it changes. Getting
Yes.
colder again.
A little chilly.
All right. Enjoy it while it lasts.